My name is Emily Elquist. I'm the accounting manager at Fisher's Technology, and I've worked here for a year and a half. My favorite thing about Fisher's is the people I work with. It's a great place to be curious, and everyone supports you in your curiosity and wants to help you grow. So what I do is I oversee the general ledger accounts. I assist and oversee the AR and AP departments. I do the monthly sales and use tax preparation and financial statement preparations and a whole lot of other stuff. I enjoy seeing how the month wraps up and how all the hard work paid off and how we're growing and evolving as a company. It's not the best skill to have, but I am a chronic overthinker, which I think helps a lot in accounting. We are a smaller company that's growing really fast, so you get to be hands-on in a lot of different departments and activities that are going on that you wouldn't normally in a more established, set-in-stone role at a different company. You get to see more aspects of the business and feel like you're growing with the company, not the company's just operating around you. I would definitely recommend working at Fisher's to my family and friends. I'm trying to encourage my brother to come be a summer intern up here and come stay with me for the summer. I just couldn't recommend it enough. It's been the best part about my move up to Boise, and I've enjoyed meeting everybody, and they've really made me feel like I'm a part of the community and a part of the town. And I just think everyone's really welcoming and wants you to grow and learn, and you just can't find that support at every job.